The FDA 510(k) process can feel overwhelming, especially for small teams juggling product development, documentation, and compliance without a dedicated regulatory expert. That's why I created this step-by-step course specifically for software-based Class II medical devices, fully aligned with the FDA's current eSTAR submission format. The course walks you through each required 510(k) section according to eSTAR expectations, using real examples from successful submissions. You'll also get guidance on writing key documents like the software requirements, specification, design, specification, risk management table, and verification plan, with downloadable templates to help you get started faster. Whether you are submitting your first 510(k) or need a streamlined guide, this course gives you what you need. No fluff, just practical, proven guidance. Check it out today, link below.